Hi there, I'm Rosina with rosinabignall.com, and I have for you today a review of Proto. And before we get into Proto, let's take care of a couple things. Please make sure you click the subscribe button below the video and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Click that bell icon so that you'll know whenever I produce a new video. I do review videos regularly and also do some training videos from time to time. So anyway, let's get back to Proto. Proto is a new app that creates three-step super funnels that will do better than making a store on Amazon, Shopify, or eBay. And what's it all about? It's the first app that builds e-com super funnels that convert 10 times better than the regular stores and generates $1,000 to $3,000 daily. It comes with loads of hot trending products, suppliers links, price markup, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So the front end is only $19 to get you started. It has some one-time offers, and I'll show you what those are. Here for the front end gives you access to the powerful Proto software and training modules. Upsell number 1 is the unlimited version. It removes all the limits from your account so that you can make unlimited funnels and products. The upsell number 2 is the done for you version, where they'll set up everything for you, so all the hard work is done. Upsell number 3 is the automation. It lets you automate your Proto account so that it runs on autopilot for you. You can get orders, receive payment, and automatically fulfill and deliver orders on complete autopilot. Upsell number 4 is the Swift Profits. You can expedite your results by 10 times and make fat profits on a daily basis with your Proto Swift Profits version. And so instead of selling the usual $20 to $50 products, you'll sell high-end products and earn $500 to $1,000 per sale. Upsell number 5 is limitless traffic, so that you can unleash a tsunami of untapped hot buyers to your super funnels every day. And upsell number 6 is the franchise edition, so that you can sell the software as if it was yours for yourself. And the upsell number 7 is the multi-income edition. So you can add 10 new automated income streams in addition to Proto. So let's look at the sales page really quick. So here we go. Here's the sales page. You can see it lists all the benefits that you'll get from it. And has some stories and stuff, so you can see what it's all about. Let me show you what Proto actually looks like. Here's what it looks like when you log in. You can see an overview of how everything's going. Here you'll have your funnels, and you can view your super funnels. So if we look at those, you can see what that looks like. So it lists all your funnels and then lets you edit the template, edit them exactly, do a Facebook post pixel on it, and delete it. And also there is, let me show you, on the ones that are published, there's also a link so you can get the URL for it. And let me show you what one of those looks like. Here's the bulb lamp spy camera one. So you can see it's a great looking page for you to work from and market. So it also has your sales history that you can see. So you'll be able to see all your customers that have bought from you, and has the automation in here. So you can send broadcasts to all your buyers, and you can see your abandoned orders. Of course, the settings, a great set of tutorials to get you going, upgrade and support and bonuses. So let's go back to the dashboard. So there you go. There's Proto. Now, when you purchase through the link below this video, I have for you some bonuses. Oh, there's a demo video of Proto that's probably better than my demo was, so take a look at it. But if you purchase from the link below my video, I have some bonuses for you. Bonus number 1 is Enigma, so you can siphon free traffic from viral Facebook videos. Bonus number 2 is the Lazy Profit Explosion. So you can create lazy profit. Bonus number 3 is the Content Curation Hack, so you can see how to get great content for your blog for free. Bonus number 4 is Gemini, where you can get all the tools you need for your business. And bonus number 5 is, of course, access to all the vendor bonuses. So be sure to click that link below this video, pick up your copy of Proto today, and get started on your e-commerce super funnels. So now, again, before you leave, make sure you click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So we'll see you on the other side. Take care. Bye-bye.